Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to make header menu font item bold in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share very easy process and step-by-step guideline that you can follow easily and implement on your store and get the result in a quick time. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store, and you can see that right now I am on the home page, and this is the active menu or active link, and we wanted to make bold the active menu items. For example, if I go to the contact page, it should be bold, and that we actually wanted to do in this tutorials. Okay, to do this, first of all you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. So I'm going to log in my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then you have to click on the online store. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code. Search base, then open base.css file. Go to the bottom of this file and add a simple code in here. Now the question where you will get this code snippet. You will get this code snippet in my website, and I will share this code snippet link in the video description. So don't forget to check the video description so get this code snippet. Just copy this code snippet from my website, copy, then paste it on the base.css file. Click on the save, asset save. Wow, it's working. If I go to the about us page, working good. Review page, nice. All the page or menu item is working very well. If I want to change the color, just change color, then color name red, just for an example, important. Okay, save, asset save, reload. Wow, you can see, very simple and easy and fast. So I hope you understand how we can draw this very easily, very quickly. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me.